Hello guys, welcome to this new video of Everything Pro Tube YouTube channel. So in this video I want to talk about how you can download Money Heist La Casa De Papel Season 3 complete 720p dual audio. That means it is English plus Spanish. So how you can download it? So you just have to click on the given link in the description and it's load like this. As you can see, this will be the link, and then what you have to do is just click on this. You can see episode 1 2 3 4 5 6. There is a total 8 episodes you can see. So you just have to just click on the first episode and it shows countdown of 1 second. Okay, just finish, then click on this, the last one, the last get link, and then you click on it. There are 3 pop-ups, okay, 2 pop-ups, sorry, and you just have to be at the main window and you will see the season 3 first episode download option. When you click on download, and it shows download, as you can see this is downloading. Okay, so I just can pause it. So quality is 70p, as you can see. Okay, so let me go to the main. Okay, so this is the website. This website link in the description, so you can download through by clicking it. And yeah, don't forget to share this video. Okay, and yeah, if you want season 1 2 links, just comment below and I will upload a video about that too, and just reply your comment. So make sure you comment and like this video. Bye bye.